Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, you will learn about some of the reporting options for the Smart Queue and the fields associated with the Smart Queue. To begin, let's take a look at reporting. The Smart Queue report is in the Productivity section. First, you have the option to filter the report by a number of criteria like demographic information, call attempts, and more. Let's select No. Here, you have the option of selecting one or more of the Smart Queues. In this case, we're going to take a look at new leads. We will also want to filter it for a time frame, let's say in the last 120 days. Click Submit, and this will show you how many records are untouched, assigned, and available. Let's save this as a shortcut so we can easily access it from the home page. Now, let's take a look at the report inside the Smart Queue. For each of these queues, I can click the Select button to get additional information. The total number of records are the records that you have found from the search results. Available records are records that are not completed, not on hold, and not on rest. Completed records are those that are marked completed via workflow. Assigned records are those that are assigned to either an account manager or a partner rep. Records that are on hold have been marked on hold via workflow. Resting records are those that have a rest time greater than 0, they're not completed, and they're not on hold. Untouched records have not been viewed by any user from any Smart Queue. And finally, the call attempts, 1 through 5 and more, means that any time a record is viewed in a Smart Queue, a call attempt is automatically incremented. Clicking on the Select button will quickly give you an idea of the status of each queue. Now, let's take a look at some of the fields associated with the Smart Queue. Go to Administration and choose Customize Pages. There are two places that the new fields appear. At the contact level, we have number of call attempts, date last called, number of dials, and time zone. We also have those fields on the search record page. Date last called, number of dials, number of call attempts, and time zone. Let's do a search for the number of call attempts. Let's take a look at call attempts equal to 3. Here are all of the contacts that have been tried 3 times. You can see that there is a column in the search result, number of call attempts. To see the associated fields, you have to go to the contact level. To start, click on Company to get to the record level. Then, click on Contact to get to the contact level. Here, you can see call attempts and time zone. The date called needs to be updated by workflow, and we don't have a workflow to timestamp that for the date last called. One of the things you might consider is that you can set up Smart Queues via time zone. Whenever records come into the system, they are automatically timestamped with the time zone based upon the area code in North America. This concludes the tutorial on reporting options and new fields available for the Smart Queue. Thanks for watching.